Virat, tell me something. Did you go for jogging with Om yesterday?
Yes, sir, just like every day, I went for jogging with Om.
From what time till what time were you along with him?
Sir, I was with him from 7 am to 8 am because after that I had to take my mom to the hospital for her checkup. And Om continued his jogging.
So while jogging, did Om's wife called him on his phone?
Yes, sir, of course. And he was talking very loudly on the phone.
What was he saying?
Sir, he was saying that I did not call any plumber and you just closed the door.
Okay, tell me, did you find something strange in Om's behavior yesterday?
No, sir, I don't remember.
Try to remember if you felt anything strange.
Yes, sir, there is something I felt strange. Yesterday I didn't want to go for jogging because I had to go to hospital with my mom. But Om was calling me again and again saying that at least come for jogging for some time.
Hey, hello Virat.
Yes.
I'm standing outside your house.
Actually, Om, I can't come today. I have to take my mom to the hospital.
At least come for a while. I'm standing outside your house.
Okay, fine. I'll come.
Come fast.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's go.
Yes.
We are late. Fine. You can go for now.
Okay.
Sir, Om's call details have come. There is no number in the list on whom we can doubt. Sir, according to the post-mortem report, Sangita's time of death was around 8:30 and 9. And sir, the surprising thing is, the time when Sangita was murdered, that time Om's location of his phone was at his home itself. Mr. Om, you have already said enough and you have lied a lot to the police. Now tell me, what is the truth? But sir, I did not do. I told you, tell me the truth. We have proof against you that you murdered your wife. Tell me, how did you kill your wife? Sir, I am telling the truth. Why would I even kill my wife? Do you think we are a fool? Yadav,
Yes, sir.
take him inside and give him third degree.
Okay, sir.
He will answer everything.
Hey, get up.
Sir, please wait. I will tell you everything. I will tell you the whole truth.
What are you doing in the kitchen? Actually, I was. How many times have I told you? Whenever you need something, you should ask me for that. Look, you have messed up the kitchen so much. Just do one thing, go outside and sit. I will bring whatever you want. Nowadays, vegetables have become so expensive and they are not even fresh. Look at them. This little bit of veggies cost 50 rupees. And there was a time when we got a lot of vegetables for 50.
That used to happen very long back. Now forget it.
Now, who kept this cup over here like this?
Actually, I will just take it away.
Okay. So you have put it here. After finishing, can't you keep it in the kitchen? Am I the servant of this house? Do you think I should look after you all day long? Is it? How can you even say such a thing? Okay, so now you're going to teach me that how I should talk to you.
Stop it, Sangita. Is this the way to talk to my mom and dad?
Then how you want me to talk? Tell me.
Sangita, they are my mom and dad. And this house belongs to them.
Okay, so who am I? Tell me. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to suffer just because they're your parents? What? You just do nothing. You both are worthless.
Mom, Dad, I apologize in behalf of Sangeeta.
No, my son, you don't need to apologize. She is our daughter. She's small. She doesn't understand. But she will. We don't feel bad about whatever she says.
You just do your work. You don't have to worry.
But
You're
Dad,
getting late, son. You just get ready and go to your office. You don't have to worry. We don't take her words by heart.
Yes.
Go, son. Go to your office.
Okay, I'll leave then.
Okay, my son.
Take care. What is it? Today you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Welcome. Anyways, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Where is my gift?
What do you want?
Will you give me whatever I ask?
Go ahead, tell me.
I want that your parents should not stay in this house with us.
Sangeeta!
What, Sangeeta? Huh? You only told me. Ask for anything. So now give it to me. Come on.
Listen, Sangeeta. They are my mom, dad. Not any item that you can throw outside the house whenever you want. And remember one thing carefully. From today onwards, if you say anything about my parents, then you have to face me.
I will. Not just once, but 1,000 times. And I don't want your parents in this house anymore. And I don't want to hear anything else from you. And if you love your old parents so much, then why don't you shift them to other house? Let's go. How dare
Come
you
on,
slap
girl,
me?
let's go see.
Huh? You slapped me.
Son,
What happened? Open the door. Son, what
Son,
happened?
Open the door. Son,
What happened? Do you have to poke your nose and everything? Do I even have a personal life or not?
Sangeeta!